you guys ready? Today we're going to make a bacon cheeseburger deluxe dinner salad. So we're always looking for different ideas to have as a salad because sometimes that chicken Caesar just gets old. I browned up some ground beef with some of my burger and fry seasoning. So we have that. What I did before I browned the ground beef, crisped up about 8 slices of bacon, drained off most of the fat, but then I put the ground beef in the same pan. So I did that in my iron skillet. So the ground beef has great flavor from the bacon drippings. So what would you have on your bacon cheeseburger? Obviously, you gotta bacon. You're gonna have maybe some cheese because it's a bacon cheeseburger. I also have your typical go-alongs here. I have some chopped dill pickle slices. I have some sweet onions. I have some tomatoes that I just cut in half. I have a combination of some romaine and iceberg lettuce that I shredded. And I made some burger sauce, you know, secret sauce, otherwise known as Thousand Island dressing. This is pretty simple. Brown up your ground beef. And of course, you can always use whatever is your ground meat of choice, whether it's turkey, chicken, beef, pork, whatever. This is an idea starter. This is a place to, you know, get some inspiration. So I have a beautiful bed of this shredded lettuce here on my platter, and I'm gonna give it a couple of scoops. So you know how we build like a taco salad. So that's how I'm gonna do it. So I have the ground beef already, and then we have some bacon, and you can do as much or as little as you want, but this is for 4 of us, so Rick can't have it all. And then, of course, we have to have some cheese. We'll sprinkle a little bit of cheese on there. Again, if you want more or less, or none, maybe you don't like cheese on your burger, you know what to do. And then we're gonna put some sweet onion over the top. Again, you don't like onions, leave them out. Some dill pickles, but just a few. You know, these are powerful things. But do you like lots of pickles and lots of onions on your burger like I do? Because I love a ton of onions on my burger. So put a ton of onions on your burger. And if you like tomatoes, put some tomatoes on there. Not only are they beautiful, but they're delicious. And they're even more delicious when you grow them yourself, don't you think? Now we're just gonna go ahead and drizzle on some of this beautiful Thousand Island dressing, or AKA burger sauce, secret sauce, whatever you wanna go to call it. There's your cheeseburger salad. You guys, I mean, it's beautiful, it's perfect, it's a great meal, and who isn't gonna love that? Well, there you have it. Deluxe bacon cheeseburger salad is ready to enjoy for dinner. All right, let's get started putting together this Southwestern style Cobb salad. I know that this is like a totally weird and different spin on a traditional Cobb salad. I have not chosen to put any bacon in this or hard-cooked egg, but up to you. You can always add it to yours and make it your own. What I'm going to start with is a bed of greens. I have a mixture here of romaine, iceberg, and spinach. So I'm going to go ahead and fix up a bed of greens. And this is a single serving. This is a dinner salad, so we'll be having this for dinner tonight. I will probably be the only one who has one like this. So, right, now a Cobb salad, if you're not familiar, traditionally is served where all of the ingredients are kind of lined up soldier style down the plate. So I'm going to start by putting my chicken right down the middle, and then I'm going to put some of this corn, roasted corn and bean salsa that I made in another video. And then I'm going to put some avocado that I have squeezed some lime over the top of. And then we'll do a little bit of green onion, some cucumber, a little tomato, and some cheddar cheese or whatever's your preference. If you like Jack or something else, you go right ahead. Now what we're going to do is we're going to top this off with a nice drizzle of our homemade chipotle honey lime vinaigrette. And with dressing, personal preference, you put as little or as much as you like. So there you have it. A delicious Southwest style Cobb salad my way. Okay, today we're going to be making a California Club salad, and I'm kind of taking inspiration from the California Club sandwich, which is a club sandwich that has bacon and avocado added to it and is just delicious. But this salad doesn't have any bread in it. It's really low carb, and so I thought it might be fun. We are also going to be using my creamy bacon ranch dressing, which is also low carb. And what we have to go in this salad, it's going to be a constructed salad, and I'm going to plate it, and it's going to be beautiful. I have some greens here. This is a head of romaine lettuce that's been chopped in bite-sized pieces and a couple of cups of baby spinach. I have some ham that is a ham steak, and then I went to the deli and I got peppered turkey, and I had them slice it approximately the same thickness as the ham steak. This is just Jenny O peppered turkey, and I've cut them both into julienne strips. We have a couple of avocados that I've cubed, some hard cooked eggs that I've cut in half, some cherry tomatoes, some green onion, some shredded Colby Jack cheese, and I have some Persian cucumbers that I've just cut in half and sliced, as well as about a half a cup of freshly cooked bacon that I have drained and crumbled and ran my knife through. That's what we're going to use for our California Club salad. You can feel free to add croutons to this, or torn soft bread is always a nice addition to a salad, I think. All right, we're just gonna start with a bed of greens. You can put whatever greens you like, that's up to you. I really like the combination of romaine and baby spinach. I think it's really, really lovely. And now we're just gonna do a constructed plating. So what I'm gonna do is just put little sections where we're gonna put some cucumber. We're gonna put some grape tomatoes. These are those heirloom grape tomatoes that are so beautiful. And we're gonna go in with some avocado cubes, some green onion. And any of these ingredients that you dislike, you should leave out, and you should add the things in that you do enjoy. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with some turkey. I'm gonna put the ham in like that. And then I'm gonna put a half of a hard-cooked egg on either side there, and I'm going to sprinkle over some cheese kind of in the center, but I'm going to let it kind of cascade down. And then we're going to sprinkle over some bacon kind of the same way. That looks gorgeous.
Looks really good too.
And it looks like you got it at a restaurant, honestly. Now we're going to drizzle over our creamy bacon ranch dressing, and there you have it. I mean, it's gorgeous. If you want, you can dress it with a few more green onions just for color, and your salad is complete. How beautiful is that? This is a very hearty dinner salad, and nobody is gonna walk away from this hungry. That is how you make a beautiful and delicious California Club style salad. Feel free to add croutons or rolls on the side, whatever is your preference. Either way, you're gonna really enjoy this.